ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Putra with student ID 2025-32035, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a distribution frequency table using Excel. And here's for today, we have this data in here, and we're going to calculate. The first thing is mean. How do we calculate it is using this function. Just follow my lead. This function mean, and after that we blow all this data, and then that's it, and enter. Okay, and for the next one is we need to calculate the max. Is same as mean. We using this function called max and block all the data, and then just enter, and that's it, the max. And for the n is the how many data we have here. We using this function is called count, and then block all the data. That's it. And now for the range is we using the formula is just using max min, yes, and then enter, and that's it, the range. And now for the k, or how many class we gonna put in this table, this distribution function, this distribution frequency table is 1 plus 3.3 log 3.3 multiplied by log n. We have here, and then and then enter. That's it. 1 plus 3.3 multiplied by log n, and that's it. And don't forget to make it, to round it, to make it for the real number. Is we're gonna using this function called round, and then choose the data, and then don't forget to put the point, and then 0, and just enter it, and that's it. And now for the C is how many data we're gonna put in the class. Use this formula is range slash n slash k, and then that's it. And then don't forget, we're gonna use the same as the k as the class. We're gonna using function round. Choose the number, and don't forget point, and then 0, enter, and that's it. How we get this min max range and k and c. And next we're gonna make the table. This, don't forget this. Just follow what I made. Is here number, class, and then the frequency, the relative frequency, the cumulative frequency, more than the the cumulative frequency more than, and then the cumulative frequency less than. Okay, and based on our k, or how many class we're gonna use, is 7, so here we're gonna use 7 class. One, sorry, one, oh shit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Oh, I'm sorry, it's more than 7. I'm sorry, delayed it. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to get the lower limit of the first class, and here is, of course, we start for the min, because the minimum number in here, and then enter. And now for the upper limit for the first class, is we're going using this formula, is the lower limit plus the c and min 1. That's it. Oh yeah, and don't forget to put some dollar symbol in here, because we're going to use the same function, I mean, the c data is not gonna change. That's it. It's not gonna change because we're using the same data, so we need to put this dollar in here, and then just pull down. That's it. And for here, we're going to use the upper limit of the first class, plus 1. The upper limit of the first class plus 1 is for the lower limit of the class 2 And that's it. And then just pull down, and then that's it. The upper limit of the all class has been decided. But as you can see here, it's not it's not same as the max, because the max is 87, but the last class is 85. We need to up the class into a class. As you can see here, the upper limit of the last class is 85, but as you can see, the max of our data is 87, so we need to up the class here. So we need to run up this one. I'm sorry. So we need to run up this one. That's it. So we're gonna make 8 class. That's it. And we already paste past the maximum data on our data. And then for the frequency, we're going to use this function. Is frequency is called frequency, and then block all the data we have, and then after that, don't forget the point, and then here, and we going to use upper limit of all the class we have, and then enter, and that's it. All the frequency we have here. But as you can see, it's utterly until 0, so we're going to change here. Is just change to PA, and then enter it. I'm sorry, and that's it. We get all the data here. And now for the next class, for the frequency relative, we are going to use this formula. This formula is for the relative frequency of the first class, we're using frequency of the first class divided by n, and then we gonna multiply it by 100%, and let's enter it. Okay, and don't forget, because we're going to use the same data is n, don't forget to put the dollar symbol in here. I'm sorry, here. That's it. Just enter, and then pull it down. That's it. Because as we can see, it's not like in person format. We're going to use this. That's it. It's for the first class is 8%, and then all of it. And then for the cumulative frequency, more than is we're going to use this formula. The frequency less than is of the first class is we're going to use the frequency of the first class, and then enter. And then for the second class is we're going to use we're gonna use the the cumulative frequency less than previous class plus the frequency of the second class, and then enter, and then just pull it down, and that's it. Now for the cumulative frequency more than is we're going to use this formula. For the first class, we're going to choose the cumulative frequency less than of the last class here. And then just enter, and then for the next class, or the second class, is we're going to use the same as the frequency, the cumulative frequency less than, is just click the cumulative frequency and then mean the frequency of the first class, then just enter, and that's it. Just run it up until pull it down until then. And that's how we made all these thing, how we made the mean, how we made max, how we made n, range, k, z, the lower limit, the upper limit, the frequency, the relative frequency, the cumulative frequency, more than and less than. And that's it, how we made all of this. Oh yeah, and don't forget to sum all of this using this function. Block all the block all the data, and then just enter it. That's it. Okay, that's for me how we made the frequency, the frequency distribution table using Excel. That's for me. See you next time. Bye bye.